5 seconds. Start. Speaking in the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly, an honorable member said, Mr. Speaker Sir, I support the motion of thanks to the Governor for his address to the legislature. I feel that the government deserve congratulations on the very able manner in which the administration of the state has been carried on during the last 1 year. During this period, we have gone through many troubles, but we have been able to get over all these difficulties because of the sound manner in which the government have tackled them. There was grievance among government servants that they were not getting sufficient emoluments. We are glad that the government have granted a number of concessions to the government servants and teachers. On account of these measures, the people are happy that a good state of affairs has come into being in this state. So, the government deserves congratulations from all members of the house. Then, I come to the problem of handloom weavers. This government recognized the great hardship of the handloom weavers. There was overproduction of handloom cloth and the handloom cooperative societies were not able to market these goods. The government felt that reservation of the manufacture of bordered dhotis and saris to the handloom industry would meet the situation. The government agreed to this, but I would like to point out that the help is yet to come from the central government in this regard. I hope that the central government will realize that some quick action on their part is required in this matter. Then I would like to refer to the improvement of conditions of slum dwellers in Chennai city. The government took a wise decision in this matter. The government said that the residents should be settled where they were and that they should be given all amenities such as lighting, drainage, drinking water and so on. 1 or 2 slums in Chennai city has been improved on these lines and the people there are happy now. Those who are living in the slums are very grateful to the government for the novel method adopted for the improvement of the slums in the city. In this connection, I would like to bring to the notice of the government that the Corporation of Chennai has applied to the central government for a loan for the improvement of slums. Unless the city is improved, the state cannot be said to have progressed much. So, I request the government to press the central government to grant the loan asked for by the Corporation of Chennai for the improvement of slums. Finally, I want to make some remarks about the Chennai city water supply. Luckily, we had rains recently and there is now sufficient water in our reservoirs. But if there is failure of rains in future, we will again suffer from scarcity of water supply. So, I feel that some permanent arrangement must be made by the government to ensure regular supply of water to the city. In this connection, I would like the government to help the corporation with adequate grants to install mechanical filters. At present, we have no proper machinery for rapid filtration of water in Chennai city. The present process is too slow. So, I think that rapid mechanical filters should be introduced so that we may be able to realize greater quantity of water through the water mains in the city. I hope the government will consider this request of the corporation and that money will be made available to implement this. I thank you for the time given to me. Letter from Raghu and Company, Bangalore to Mrs. Rao and Company, Madurai. Dear sirs, we thank you for your order number 12 dated the 3rd August for transmission bills of various sizes, but we regret very much to advise you of our inability to execute the order within a fortnight. As requested by you, we would like to inform you that in recent months there has been a great rush of orders for our goods, and in spite of our best efforts, we have not been able to cope with them successfully. As a matter of fact, our factory is fully booked with orders already on hand, and we think that it will take at least a month to clear them. However, we would like to point out that we are making every effort to speed up delivery of goods, and in fairness to all our customers, all orders are being handled in strict rotation. We regret very much the inconvenience that may be caused to you by this delay, and we hope and trust that it will be convenient for you to allow us this extension of time in the special circumstances that we have explained above. We have great pleasure in informing you that we have already booked your order provisionally, but we would be grateful if you confirm you order on the revised condition. We assure you of our best attention at all times. Yours faithfully.
ஒரு வேலைன்னு எடுத்தால் டே அண்ட் நைட் ஒர்க் பண்ணுற ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் வேணும். அது இருந்தால் போதும் எந்த விஷயத்தையும் ஈஸியாக ஜெயிக்கலாம்.